Hold on tight, Triumph just rewrote the rules of power cruising with the all-new Rocket 3 Storm GT 2026. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the ultimate destination for everything motorcycles. If you're a fan of torque monsters, bold design, and cutting-edge engineering, you're in for a wild ride today. Triumph has just dropped a bombshell, the 2026 Rocket 3 Storm GT, and it's turning heads across the motorcycle world. Let's dive deep into what makes this beast more powerful, aggressive, and refined than ever before. The evolution of a legend. The Triumph Rocket 3 has always been in a class of its own. With the largest production motorcycle engine on the planet, it didn't just aim to impress, it dominated. Now, for 2026, Triumph has reimagined the Rocket 3 GT with the Storm upgrade. More than just a facelift, the new Storm GT brings enhanced performance, sharper styling, and a meaner attitude, perfect for riders who want to cruise with authority. Power like never before. The centerpiece of the Rocket 3 Storm GT is, of course, its monstrous 2,458 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine. Triumph has tuned it up to deliver a jaw-dropping 182 PS of power and 225 Nm of torque, making it the most powerful rocket ever built. Whether you're rolling through city streets or tearing up the open highway, the Storm GT responds with unrelenting force and buttery-smooth acceleration. Design: darker, meaner, sleeker. The 2026 Rocket 3 Storm GT doesn't just perform like a beast, it looks like one too. Triumph has embraced a more aggressive visual language with blacked-out components, sharper lines, and a commanding road presence. From the forged wheels to the redesigned LED headlight setup, every inch screams premium muscle. The GT model brings long-distance comfort into the mix with a sculpted touring seat, forward foot controls, and a swept-back handlebar. Ride experience: smooth meets savage. Even with its brutal power figures, the Rocket 3 Storm GT is all about rider confidence and control. Thanks to features like cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes, you can tame this monster with just a flick of the wrist. The new suspension tuning and lighter components give it a more agile feel, while the touring-oriented GT setup ensures you stay comfortable even on long rides. Technology and features. The 2026 Rocket 3 Storm GT is loaded with high-end tech. From its full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity to its keyless ignition and cruise control, every detail is designed to enhance the rider's experience. Triumph's focus on combining muscle with modern tech has made the Storm GT not just a cruiser, but a statement. Final thoughts: a new era begins. With the Rocket 3 Storm GT, Triumph isn't just continuing a legacy, they're redefining it. This isn't just another cruiser, it's a declaration of dominance on two wheels. Whether you're a longtime Triumph fan or someone who just loves raw performance wrapped in luxury, the 2026 Storm GT is the ultimate package. Thanks for tuning in to Biker's Choice. If you love motorcycles that push boundaries and break records, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts on the new Rocket 3 Storm GT in the comments. Would you ride this thunderous titan? Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.